Hi everyone, it's Queen Bee. In this video, I'll show you how to remove your motorcycle fuel tank easily at home. Be sure to subscribe and like this video if you want to see more like this. As you can see, I got this R15 V2, and if you got a different motorcycle, the process should be similar. So without any delay, let us start. Before we start, make sure to take screenshot on your way opening anything. So that way, if you later forget which part to put where, this will help. Also try to use gentle touch and handle things with care. Try not to force anything to open. If anything seems jammed, try lubricating beforehand. To remove the fuel tank, start by opening the pillion seat. We need to open the pillion seat with the motorcycle ignition key. Then this center fairing part. Now these two screws which holding the rider seat with the 5 mm Allen key. Now it's free to be removed, so just grab the seat from its back, then pull it backward and upward to remove it. Now we need to unscrew this 4th screw to remove the tank from its frame. Be careful, we still have the fuel pipe and other electric connection connected under the tank. For this screw I use 5 mm Allen key. After unscrew and positioning the tank like this, we can clearly see this fuel pipe and electric connections from its below. To completely remove this fuel tank, we got these 3 connections to remove. Now to remove this pipe, just loosen this clip, metal clip, and pull the pipe out. To put this pipe back, just push and slide it in its space and tighten the metal clip as before. That's it. This is fuel connection from fuel injector pipe. To remove it, remove this red plastic cap from the pipe, or it will not let you remove the pipe. Also, in this part of the pipe, we have 2 push buttons opposite of each other, which we have to push while dragging or sliding out the pipe. And to put the pipe back again, just slide it in and close the cap. That's it. Now to remove this electric connection, we see this little clip. Push it bottom part while pulling this plug out. And to put this plug back again, just push it in its socket. That's it. Now the fuel tank is free to be removed completely. And now to put everything as before, or to have everything as before, just do all the previous steps in reverse. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next video.